I love DJing, but man, do I hate all the other stuff. Can I just DJ? Gee whiz, man. I just don't want to worry about all that other stuff. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of this little dog and pony show I do every week. And thank you again to my sponsors, Promo Only, Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Perfect Portals. Those two work together, by the way. Disc Jockey News and the Entertainment Experience Workshops. That's my workshops. Let me know if you want to know more. I got a November workshop. I got an October workshop in London. So yeah, I want to DJ. I don't want to do this stuff. Well, no kidding. Trust me. I got into DJing because I didn't want to do other stuff. I wanted to be an actor because that's the stuff that I wanted to do. That's the thing that I was most passionate about. Well, I'll tell you a little story. When I was young, I knew I wanted to be an actor when I was 6. So 6, 7, 8. That's all I ever told my dad until he finally took me aside one day and he said, and I don't know why he said it to a 7-year-old, but he goes, well, okay, you be an actor. Good luck to you. But you're going to have to do a lot of other crap that you don't like. You're going to have a lot of jobs that you don't like to do so that you can do this thing that you love to do, because you're not going to make a lot of money doing that. You're just not. So you got to do the work, the hard work, the work of making a living, at those jobs, because job's the job. It's no fun, but you want to do fun, you got to do the job. Oh, well, and he was right. I mean, I chased my acting jobs and my DJ jobs, and I didn't make a lot of money. And to be able to keep my apartment and my car and my insurance and, feed myself and all that stuff, I had to do this other crappy jobs. And I hated that. And finally, I got to a place where being a professional performer is what I do for a living. Okay? Whether it be as an actor or a DJ or an MC or a speaker or a trainer, that's what I do for a living. Okay? It took a while, but that's what I do for a living. But I realized that I'm still doing the crappy work, right? I mean, I had an acting teacher tell me once that acting as a professional, the acting part is not the job. The standing in front of the camera or on stage or doing the lines in front of an audience, that's the fun part. That's not the job. The job is the hustle. It's the sales. It's the auditions. It's the rejection. It's the writing. It's the preparation. It's the rehearsal. It's the marketing. It's your website. All that stuff you have to do 40 to 50 hours a week, so that for about 6 hours once a week or once every couple of weeks, you can stand in front of an audience. So what is your job really? Do you have a really fun job? Yeah, we have a fun job. But if you think about it, we have a fun job for about 6 to 8 hours a week if you're working every single solitary week. The rest of it, you really have to know that that's the work. Okay? If you want to be successful, you still have to work at the things that you don't like. And you don't like sales? I'm sorry, but you're not going to get a lot of work without sales. So you got to find a way to do the sales, to have the discipline to do the sales, to make the cold calls, to get back to your clients, to work on with email. If you don't like to do email, oh well, figure it out. Because if you don't, then you got to go work for a company that only wants you to DJ and pays you only, it doesn't pay very well. Okay, they're getting paid for doing all the business stuff. You want to make a living at this? The tough part is that it's hard work. It's worth it. It's worth it to me because I'm a performer and that's my passion. And I will do anything to be able to have that 1 hour on stage, that 1 minute on stage. Not everybody's going to invite you on a stage. You're not the producer most of the time. You're not the money. So you got to have somebody who trusts you and is going to pay you. And to find that, you have to do the work. And the work comes with rejection. So you got to get used to rejection. You got to get used to no's. You got to get used to, I don't like that. It's okay. But if you don't get used to it, then you stop doing it. And if you stop doing it because I don't like that, guess what else you don't get to have? You don't get to have the thing that you love. Trust me, I got to work 40 to 50 hours a week to have that 6 hours of, geez, I love my job. The rest of it, I don't like it either. But it is a necessary evil to have what you want. And I always thought I had figured it out. I always thought that I had figured out the thing that I get to do that doesn't have all that crap. I found the job that doesn't have all the stuff I have to do. Okay, well, wrong. I didn't figure it out. Because this is the way the world works. You want to have fun, it comes with a price. You want to do the thing you love, it still comes with a price. And the price is the stuff you need to do to be able to have the stage, to be able to have the client, to have the audience, to be able to go and do the thing that you're passionate about. It's okay. Just lean into that's the way it is. And trust me, if you do that and you go out and do the work every week, you'll find a way to be successful. If you're avoiding the work, you're going to be working for somebody else. Or you're going to give up on something because this is just not worth it. And I think it is. What do you think? Write down your comments below. Tell me what you think. Like, subscribe, all the other little things that you're supposed to do. This is Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.